The Chataki is a type of bird, very small, sparrow-like bird, and we see them sometimes. They still exist. You see them in the village. They only drink water from the rain cloud. They won't drink water from here, or from any standing water, only when rain cloud. What they do for 9 months a year, or 10 months a year, I don't know. That you can figure out. Because it only rains for 1 month or 2 months. Rainy season. But this is how it's described. So therefore, the characteristic is they have great and intense thirst. They're without getting water, they're lifeless, they're dry. So we should feel like that Chataki bird. If he doesn't get some rain from a rain cloud, he will die. Maybe he migrates. When he comes, it's rainy season here, he's drinking water here, then he migrates and flies somewhere else. I don't know all the details, but this is the analogy they give. So we should feel like that Chataki, when we chant the holy name, Sneha Nam means that when we're chanting, we should think of the Chataki bird. And we should feel that, our chanting we should have that great intense thirst, that without this holy name, my life is dry and useless. Without rainfall, the bird dies, is useless. Harinam is real life. There's no life elsewhere. Like the bird, this Chataki bird, his only life is that cloud, that rainwater. Although there's so much rain everywhere else, so much water everywhere else, standing water, lakes, rivers. For him, his life is only there. So in the same way, the devotee who's chanting this Sneha Nam, he thinks there's no real life anywhere in this material world. It's all dead. The real life is the Jivan, Nam Jivan. The life is in this holy name. The ras, the flavor, the taste, the experience, the satisfaction, the absorption. So the bird doesn't seek water from any other source. So similarly, devotee doesn't try to find happiness from any other source than Nam Bhajan and serving Vaishnavas. Like a Chataki, all his thirst, he needs and desires and aspirations and objectives are fulfilled by that rainwater. So all our needs and desires and aspirations can be fulfilled by placing the lotus feet of Sri Harinam Prabhu in our heart. We should feel thirsty and have intense desires to receive the mercy of the holy name.